You want to keep your search history safe from Google? You should know that deleting search history removes it from your Google account and not just on the device. Deleting any history deletes it from all devices. If you still want to go ahead and clear your Google search history, then let's get started. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. On your Android device, open the Google app. At the top right hand corner, tap your profile picture. Get down to search history. Here, you have to choose the search history you want to delete. These are mine. These are your search history. Yours should be showing just like so. These are the search history. If you want to delete any of this, simply tap on them just like so. Just tap on it, and at the top here, you can see delete. You can delete today, you can delete custom range, or you can delete all time. Choose whichever one you want, and it is deleted. Okay, this is the first step. You can delete or clear your Google search history. The next one is through the Chrome app. So on your Android device, again, launch the Chrome app. Tap the three dots at the top right hand corner here. This is the three dots. Next is history. These are my Google search history. From here, tap on clear browsing data. Clear browsing data, you can choose the time range. It could be the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time. Choose whichever one you want. I will be going for last 24 hours. Here you will choose to clear your browsing history from all signed in devices. If you want to clear it from all signed in devices, check this box. If you want cookies and site data, or this signs you out of most sites, you won't be signed out of Google account, you select this box. Once you are done, select clear data, and all of this data will be cleared. This will clear data for all sites, including Facebook, iStock, Google. Select clear and everything will be wiped out. These are the two ways you can clear your Google search history. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.